Mäkipäänkatu 27 to 29 in Tampere, staircase C.
Tampere, Finland. 4 versions are 320 kilograms. It's a ValmetSchlieren, and ValmetSchlieren modernized by Kone with Kone fixtures. Built in 1968, modernized in 1999. Last year, 2018, that's all the way turned 50 years old. And this year, this modernization is 20 years old. 4 versions are 320 kilograms, VS1 146, so it will be inspected next year, 2020. And it has 9 floors, but it's still this low. It should have been made faster.
Yeah.
Yeah. But still a nice find.
Yeah.
No generic modernization, it's still good. And we know exactly what it was. It was those ValmetSchlieren white buttons.
Yeah.
So we know what it was. But still, I think this was an unnecessary modernization.
Yeah.
Even though it was 1999, but still.
Yeah.
But of course, better than generics.
Yeah.
Much better.
Yeah. Inspected by QA inspector, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. The red lights, but the old Kone logo.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Maybe this could be from early 1999. The modernization. Probably. Okay.
That's